You're not stuck. You're not unlucky. You're just full of excuses. You blame your past. You blame your circumstances. You blame other people. But the truth is simple. It's on you. No one is responsible for your success except you. Not your parents. Not your boss. Not society. Your life is in your hands. And every excuse you make is another chain holding you back. You can complain, or you can change. You can make excuses, or you can make progress. But you can't do both. What's it gonna be? Like, subscribe and share.